Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We got some new news. They are small but still. We got a redeem code for 10 event pools and today I will show you how to use it and I will leave it for you in the comments. And we got a small trailer. It's a concept trailer and they're using music from Star C. It's an popular outfit from Shining Nikki. I'm interested to see what they will do. Is it a new miracle outfit or is it a new 5-star? We will find out soon enough. But the Star C, if it's inspiration from it, the dress is gorgeous. I really like it, so I'm excited. I wanna know how they will interpret it in Infinity Nikki. But the thing is, if it will be a miracle outfit, I hope that the grind will not be more than for the Silvergate Arius. Is it the right name for the dress? So for the second miracle outfit, because that one was kinda grindy. Basically, to use redeem code, what you have to do, you have to open settings, click on others, there is a redeem code, press on it, copy paste the redeem code and apply, and now you will get the reward. It was easy, wasn't it? What do you think about the trailer? Are you excited? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in next one. Bye bye.